time, and that is Bath and Body Works. I had to look at the bag so I wouldn't keep calling it Beyond. What is the other store? Beyond Bath and Body Works. Hey cute people, yes it's me. I went shopping like I usually do, but this time I didn't go to Ulta and I didn't go to Dollar Tree. This time I went to Bath and Body Works. And as you know, they're always having a great sale with that 20% coupon, and when they do, you have got to go in there and get something, right? If you're like me, you will anyway. But listen, I have picked up a few, well, a lot of wallflowers. I was never interested in wallflowers before until I went to someone's home over the holidays last year, and their home smelled beautiful. And the thing about it is, the wallflower that they had plugged in didn't have any liquid in it, so I couldn't tell which one it was. But I think I found it. And the thing is, if it was empty and the house still smelled good, I figured, hey, imagine what it smelled like when that thing was full of liquid. Anyway, so I picked up quite a few things. Here's my receipt. I picked up 17 things really. So I'm going to just show you some of the things I have and go through some of the notes, because I'm sure there's something here you would like. If I didn't say, I did pick up some candles before I picked up the wallflowers. I only got 2 at that time, and I'm going to show them to you because they are fast becoming some of my favorites, although they are almost finished. But I'm going to show them to you anyway. So, before I go on, I do want to say that I thank you so much for stopping by and watching my channel. The one thing I'd like for you to do, and I hope that you don't mind, and that would be to subscribe and become a cute person. Well, you are a cute person anyway, but, you know, subscribe to my channel for more of me. Hopefully you do. And I'm going to get right into what I have. Okay. So I want to just mention this thing first, because if you get their emails, you'll see, I don't know if they do it all the time, but I think I've seen it already 2 or 3 times, where if you buy a wallflower outlet, you get a refill for free. So I brought this one here, and this one here on average goes for $14.50, but I only paid $8. So remember, I had a 20% discount. So I got this here, and I got another discount. I got a deal discount, and then I got my $2 off. So either way, I paid $8 for this here. Cute people, I forgot to show you this one here. This is a flower. They call it a flower. And this one, the regular price was $5.50, and I got the 20% off. So I only paid $4.40. And you get this particular wallflower for free. And this is the Limon Sally. I don't know if you can see it. The light is kind of washing it out. But this one here was free because I bought that outlet. And this one, the notes are bright lemon zest, Sorrento lemons, and cane sugar. And as you can see, it's yellow. I thought this would be great for the kitchen because of the cane sugar and the citrus and stuff. And at that time, they still had some items that were 60% off. And they only had one wallflower. It had a lot of them, but only one fragrance. And if you were lucky enough to get 60% off wallflowers, oh my God, am I like happy for you. But anyway, this one here is the Beach Ocean Waves. And you know, the regular price of these things here are $6.50. But I got this one for $1.29. So I figured, hey, I don't know what it smells like. I didn't smell it. It was just 60% off. So I figured I'll go ahead and try it. Because remember, it's only going to cost me $1.29. So now, if I didn't say, let me go back to this outlet too. Because this one here, it lights up. And it lights up 24/7. Here's the plug. And then you stick and you plug it into the outlet. I'm sure you've probably seen a lot of things like this. Other companies have some too. But the other wallflowers that I picked up cost me on average about $2.74. And they're regularly priced $6.50. So I'm just going to move through them really quickly. And I'll show you the candles when I'm finished. Now this is another one I was excited to try. And this one is called the Japanese Cherry Blossom. And it's clear. And the notes here are Japanese cherry blossom, mimosa petals, and sandalwood. So I'm looking forward to trying that one. I don't know where I would like to use these at, but one thing I like is that they have a knob here, well not a knob, but a top here you can take off, so you can interchange them. They don't always have to stay in. You can, you know, interchange them. So I'm looking forward to one day my house smelling like this, next week it smells like something else, the kitchen smells like this, but my bedroom smells like that. So I'm really excited. Now this one here is called Sun Washed Petals. And the notes here are Island Plumera, Golden Tiara Woods, Golden Tiara Flowers, Warm Sandalwood, and it has essential oils. So this one here is really cute. It's like a, is it like a lavender or is it clear? It's like a real light lavender color. You really can't see it, but I'm looking forward to that one too. And I also have the white tea and sage. And this one here, the notes are sparkling bergamot, white tea, and fresh sage with essential oils. And this one is very, very light in color, and it's like a really light colored green. It's maybe, I don't know, I want to say like white tea, but I don't know what white tea looks like. I can't really say green tea because it's lighter than green tea, but just giving you some colors. And this one here is Georgia Peach, Juicy Peaches, Dew Covered Leaves, and a hint of vanilla. And this is, and some of these things are from the White Barn collection, and it really doesn't matter because they all smell really, really good. I like the color on this one too. So not only are these things going to smell good, but they give you a little color. And they have so many different outlets. So if you get a chance, check out the website and see the outlets that they have and pick you out some of these things. Summer is coming. You want your house to smell clean and fresh. And even though when winter was here, you still want the house to smell clean and fresh. But I think this is really, really going to be so exciting to have different smells in my house from time to time. And I could just leave it there. Unlike a candle, you can't burn the candle all night long. But these here, gonna drive me crazy. Okay, now this one here is Mango Dragon Fruit. And I think the color drew me to this one here. So here it is, Mango Dragon Fruit. That's the color. It's like a really burnt orange. The color is really pretty. You can't really see it much, but I love this color here. And like I said, maybe part of the decoration of the home. And this one here has Red Dragon Fruit and Juicy Mango. That's the notes there. And then this one here is the Aloha Kiwi Passion Fruit. And that's what it looks like. And this one here is really pretty. Oh, this is like a, not like a magenta. Oh my goodness, I wish I could tell you the color. That kind of looks like the color right there. I think that's really pretty. I think a lot of these colors just drew me into. And the notes on this one here is Tropical Passion Fruit, Radiant Kiwi, and Juicy Pineapple. Really pretty. And then I have a few more. I'm trying to get through them. I have At the Beach. And this note here is White Frangipani, Toasted Coconut, and Saltwater Breeze. And that's the color if you can see it. Here's another one, Beach Cabana, Warm White Sands, Orange Blossom, and Beachside Jasmine with essential oils. Okay, Beach Cabana. And this is pretty much clear. And I got Hot Fudge Sundae. I guess I was hungry when I went in because I was like, I know this is probably going to be kind of sweet, but I still wanted to try it. They have so many wallflowers. As a matter of fact, the wallflowers, they also have a candle, so you can always smell it. But I just was interested in this one. Has gooey fudge, vanilla bean ice cream, and whipped cream. And this is the Hot Fudge Sundae. Can you see it? Can you see it? Nope, you can't see it. but you can kind of see it. Just like, there you go. Okay. And this is the color. Pretty much like I don't know, kind of like a peachy color to me if you think. I don't know what the color is. I ain't gonna try to guess. Sun-drenched linen. I love anything linen scent, linen spray, linen powder, anything with linen in it. I usually like it, so I'm excited about this one. And this one is called Sun-drenched linen. It smells, the fragrance notes are cool cotton, crisp apple, and soft musk. And this is from the White Barn collection. That's it. And it has like it's real pale blue, a really, really pale blue. And also I have sun-washed citrus. Didn't I say sun-washed citrus before? No. Okay, this one has Sorrento lemon, citron, and agave nectar. And that's what it looks like. Let's see. Just so you can get an idea what the label looks like. Yeah, there it is. And here's the color. This is like a light peach color if you ask me. And then I have white tea and sage. Oh, I have two, white tea and sage. Okay, I already showed you that one. I didn't realize I had two of the same thing. And then I have Island Reef. Now, this is the one I think they had in their home, Island Reef. Yes, from my recollection, when I got a chance to smell it, I think this was it. And the notes in this one is eucalyptus waves, tropical citrus, and bright mint leaf. I think this was it. I hope this is it, because I'm really looking forward to using this one first. Okay, now, two candles I mentioned that I picked up, right? And like I said, they have been burned, so excuse that, but I did want to just share them with you. This one here, everybody in the house loves it. Eucalyptus mint, and you can see where it is. And I have not had it a very long time, but somebody's always burning this one, and it's okay with me. It smells so good. The notes in this one are fresh eucalyptus, sweet spearmint, lemon peel, and clary sage. And what I like about this one here is because to me it smells like soap. I like candles that smell like soap. They smell nice and fresh, like you just got in the shower, and you know how soap smells really good. That's why I like that one. And this one pretty much the same. And I like the jar, black cherry merlot. And this one here, we burn this one quite often too, as you can see, but not like that eucalyptus mint. Oh my goodness. If you try these two, let me know down in the comment section that you've tried them before. I know I'm looking like I'm looking all over the place, which I am. Okay. So this one here has decadent dark cherry, black raspberry, and sumptuous merlot. And I'm going to tell you right now, I smell the cherry in this one. Oh my gosh. And then think about it. When this is finished, how beautiful this will be. Some type of jar, I don't know, because I wouldn't let this part show, and I wouldn't even bother taking it off. But the color of the jar itself, oh my goodness, it's so pretty. And the first one I showed you, as you can see, I don't know if you could tell, this is from the White Barn collection. But as you can see, it's almost gone. But I wanted to show those to you because those two are fast becoming my fast favorites. Although eucalyptus mint is in bee's knees, as they would say. But that's what I picked up from Bath and Body Works. I keep wanting to say Bed Bath and Beyond, but yeah, because I want to shop there too. That's why. But listen, I am going to end this video now. I want to say thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. Hopefully you will subscribe for more of me. Be a cute person, just go on and do it. And yeah, I want to go because I gotta clean my kitchen and I'm kind of hungry, so I try to look for a really light snack and wash my dishes and go to bed and get ready for tomorrow. I'm off tomorrow, so maybe I'll see you then. I don't know, we'll see. But I really thank you for stopping by and watching this video. And again, I want to say thank you so much for watching, and I want you to do nothing but share and spread love.